Namaste, this is Surabhi, your master teacher of chemistry at Vedantu. So, how are you all doing? All good? This session is about some beautiful things. Okay, we'll talk about. Okay, what is the most beautiful thing you have seen in the nature? For few, it's sunset, sunrise, and rain. For me, if you ask me, for me, I really love looking at the sea. So after dusk, when the moon and the stars are out in the sky, and you can actually see the reflection of moon in the water, and of course, it should be a very quiet place. I don't want too many people around me, so where you can actually hear the sound of waves. So that is something, I can watch every single day, and that is the thing which I miss most during this difficult time where we are not allowed to go out. So, what according to you is the most beautiful thing you have seen? Please let me know in the comment section. I know more, at least one of you might say the fireflies when they glow at night. And of course, it would be in the top 10 of my list. Not top 1, but of course, it will be in the top 10 list. I mean, it looks so pretty, right? So, one or the two you might have seen, but when you go to this dense forest area, or where there are a lot of plants or shrubs, so you can actually see lots of fireflies um, glowing, and it just looks so pretty, right? We appreciate it, we're like, oh, so pretty, we'll click some pictures. But have you ever wondered why do fireflies glow at night? Yes, so in this picture, even I am kind of glowing, right? So with that yellow boundary. But no, I'm not a firefly. Okay, that was a bad one. So moving on, why do fireflies glow at night? So this is what we'll be learning in today's session. Okay, if you're wondering what Surabhi ma'am is doing, so of course I cannot show you the real fireflies. So I thought, this will be like similar kind of experience, right? It looks so pretty. So this is how the fireflies would glow, and this is how it would look. So if you have not never seen one, or so even if you have seen, please do see it again. As I told you, observe everything what is happening around you, and in the nature you will get to witness some very beautiful phenomena. And if you are curious about something, why this phenomena takes place, why is this happening, it has to be related to chemistry. Please don't ask me math and physics doubt and all that. So if it's related to chemistry, please let me know in the comment section, like how we have done many sessions, like why do fireflies glow at night, and why you can smell rain, and the about the railway tracks, why don't they rust. So all these kind of questions, if you have in your mind and if you are still looking for the answer, please let us know in the comment section. So if it's like really interesting, I will surely make a video on it, so that not only you, even your friends can learn, right, what is the reason behind it. So that is what, right? So whenever, this is what I tell to everyone, so whenever you look at something, question like what is happening there, why. So it's not only about seeing, observe things. And if you have any questions like that in your head, and if you are looking for answer, please let me know in the comment section, so that we together we can learn. So what is the reason, why is it happening? So today's question is, why do fireflies glow at night? So before I tell you the answer, which is really interesting, it's basically because of a chemical reaction. Yeah, before I tell you, let us talk about some problems also. Yeah. So being a student, you guys go through a lot, especially in during this difficult time. I agree, and I really appreciate you all. I'm really so proud of you, because you're not able to go out and meet your friends, or go to your favorite places, go to school where you used to have a lot of fun, but still, you guys are doing amazing and you have not stopped learning, right? But there are few problems which you might be facing, like doubts, right? So this is very, very, very important according to me. You should, after the session ends, you should not have any doubts. So even if you have, it should be cleared then and there. But sometimes, it won't happen. You have to wait for the teacher to come and teach you in the next session. Then we will start taking doubts. Okay, then notes. Acha will give you PDF, and then, or you will make your own notes. But sometimes what happens? How much should you write if they ask you a question? How should you write? So these are the few questions that will pop in your head when you are, sitting in an exam, right? I agree. Then tests and assignments. It's not like, okay, I'm teaching you, I'm giving you notes, but you have to practice, right? You have to know how to answer and whether the way I have answered is right or wrong, right? For that, tests and assignments are super important. Don't you agree? Practice, practice, practice. It's like, I'll just teach you some game. Then I'm like, without practice, I'll ask you to play in a national level sport. Doesn't make any sense. So tests and assignments are equally important. Then coming to competitive exams, acha, so what will you focus on? Syllabus complete karna hai, revision, or start with the competitive exams? How should you start from? Where? Which is the right place to start from? All these questions again. See, one question ke saath few other problems. Then if everything is going smooth, then the teacher will ask you to come and attend the session at some odd time when you are not comfortable. Choice of schedule. This though I don't think we have had this option. Never. So for us, you have to come to this class school at 8 o'clock, then we had to go, and they used to leave us at 4 o'clock, right? But I never wanted to wake up so early to get ready to the school. We always said, why should we follow their schedule? Later we'll go to the school at 1 o'clock. We never had that option, right? Choice of language. But there is this one platform which has solved all of your problems. Doubts. So in class doubt solving, there will be a master teacher, class teachers, when the session is going on, when the live session is going on. So whatever the doubts you have, if you just type it and send, it will be solved instantaneously. So even sometimes, even when you're just going through the recording, or then, so if you have doubts, so that also will be solved if you just ask it on the platform. Vedantu platform, just ask it, type it, and your doubts will be solved. Okay, notes. So after every session, each and every session, you will get the notes, assignments will be shared with you after every session, and even it will be evaluated. It's not like you submitted, acha, theek. You will even get the progress reports, so on how, how have you done, how's your performance in the test, so what was wrong in the assignments, everything. And if you want to start preparing for the competitive exams from today, go ahead. If you are a pro subscriber, then whatever the courses we are offering for this competitive exams, it will be free for you. Important thing, yes, schedule. I told, right? We were never that lucky to choose. I never had that freedom to choose my schedule, right? When whatever the teacher used to say, I had to follow it. But here, as you have lot of options in this Vedantu platform, so you can prepare your own schedule at what time you want to attend the session. You will have the freedom. Where else, boy? Yes, choice of language, Hindi or English, you choose. Again, it's your choice. So along with that, we have some bonuses also. What is that? Unlimited live classes. See, for every subject we have more than 5 to 6 master teachers who will be taking sessions every day. So if you want to attend the long-term course or the micro course, what is micro course? This is my favorite. So if you want to attend, if you want to revise a chapter, or you have some doubts in the chapter, but your master teacher is teaching, he's already in the 6th chapter, but you have doubts in the 2nd chapter, then you can always attend or take up these micro courses where the master teachers will be teaching chapter wise. Okay, every chapter will be taught at least twice in a month, every single chapter by one master teacher. How many sessions can you attend? You think? So crash courses, so when the exams are near and you want to revise everything, You have crash courses where we will help you to revise the whole syllabus before the exams. We will help you to score better in that exam. As I told you about the performance report, yes, you will be sent the performance reports will be sent to you very regularly. So you can actually know, right? When you look at it, you will know where you have gone wrong, where can you improve. Not only that, you will get this personalized attention too, which is really important, right? Which is not possible at all in the YouTube. Yeah, of course, I'll try to take everyone's name, I'll try to take everyone's doubt, I'll try to solve it, I'll try to have a conversation with everyone, but sometimes, right? 100% though I can't say. But here, even after the session ends, you can keep in touch with the master teachers in our Telegram groups. So we have Telegram group for every section, every class. So I'm sure you can ask your doubts to the master teachers, or you can even have a conversation that, if you have any difficulty studying this chapter, or if you want to know some tips on how to study this chapter, they will be always ready to help you with. So if you are very happy and you're like, kahan milega aisa, all this, so all you have to do is just visit vdnt.in/ytpro, then choose your grade 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th, then the target CBSE 2021, ICSE 2021, Maharashtra Board 2021, then all you have to do is click on the get subscription. So we have 3 types of plans: 1 month, 3 months and 6 months. So if you can see here, the 14% you can save when you get this 3-month subscription, and you would be able to save 29% if you get the 6-month subscription. And today, so do get it. So I would say 6 months is better, because 29% plus if you apply the coupon code SURPRO, SUR is for Surabhi, yeah. So you will be getting some additional 15% discount. So it would be 29% plus 15%. So all you have to do is just visit vdnt.in/ytpro. Do not forget to apply the coupon code SURPRO. Okay, yes. Now talking about our glowing fireflies. Why do they glow? So why? The reason is fireflies light up to look for romance. So male use their light to broadcast a code of what kind of firefly they are. So they will have types in fireflies. Even humans, maybe we have types, right? So what kind of firefly they are? And females will respond to signals of their own species. That's it. So maybe there will be difference in the way they light it up, so that females will be able to know, acha, he's of my own species. So that is the reason they glow. Not only the fireflies, so whatever the things, the birds or insects too, especially the peacock, the peahen and all that, it is to attract the opposite sex, right? So here fireflies also do the same thing to attract or to give a signal to the opposite sex. So what makes them light up in the nighttime sky? Okay, so the reason to we know, right? But what is there inside its body that is glowing? That is what we want to know, right? So inside a firefly body, they have a specialized light emitting organ. They have a whole organ, so located in their lower abdomen. So what happens? Fireflies produce light by a biochemical reaction. Chemistry, biology plus chemistry. So there is a chemical called luciferin and an enzyme called as luciferase. So if you know, usually the enzyme name ends with ASE, ASE. So there is a chemical called as luciferin and the enzyme called luciferase. So these are the reasons for the glow. So it reacts with luciferin in the presence of luciferase. So what happens when oxygen, obviously it has to respire. So when oxygen enters into the lower abdomen through tracheal tubes, you know biology, the trachea, everything. So this oxygen will react with the luciferin, which is a chemical, and this reaction takes place in the presence of an enzyme luciferase. It reacts, okay, and what is the reaction? See, luciferin in the presence of luciferase, which is an enzyme, so you will get oxyluciferin plus there will be emission of light, which is basically bioluminescence. Okay, so this reaction where oxygen is reacting with luciferin in the presence of an enzyme called as luciferase, so where you will get oxyluciferase along with the emission of light, this is the reason for the glow of fireflies. So 2 luciferin, that is LH2, plus oxygen, you are getting oxyluciferin. That is the, that chemical produces light along with water. So this is the reason the fireflies glow at night. This production and emission of light by a living organism. So, it has to include bio. So bio means living, bioluminescence. Okay. So where an animal or any living organism can emit or produce light is what is known as bioluminescence, and this is what happens in the fireflies, and that is the reason they glow, and it is such a beautiful view. So I'm sure you have all witnessed it. If you have not, please watch it out. So as I told you, observe everything what is happening around you, so I'm sure you will get to witness a lot of beautiful things. Okay, so now you know the reason why do fireflies glow at night. So if you liked it, please let me know in the comment section. As I told you in the beginning, at the beginning of the session, if you have any such questions, why this happens, why is this happening, oh, and all that, if you are confused or if you are wondering or if you are looking for an answer, please let me know in the comment section. So if I like the topic, I'll surely come up with a video answering your questions. Okay, and if you liked our courses which we are offering in the Vedantu platform, all you have to do is just click on the link given in the description box, vdnt.in/ytpro, choose your grade 9th, 10th, target CBSE 2021 or ICSE 2021, Maharashtra board also. So click on to the get subscription. Okay, so as I told you, 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, but I would say 6 months is a really good plan because you will be getting to save a lot. 29% plus 15% only if you use the coupon code SURPRO. Okay, so 1 month amount payable was actually 2699, but if you apply the coupon code, so you will be getting the subscription for only 2294. So whatever is okay with you, if you want to just try the Vedantu platform, so you can just go with 1 month plans, whatever you are okay with. So all you have to do is just visit vdnt.in/ytpro and use the coupon code SURPRO. SUR is for your, Surabhi ma'am, Surabhi. So that is my coupon code. If you liked it, do not forget to like and share the video so that everyone can know why the fireflies glow at night. I'm sure you have already subscribed. If not, and if you are here in this channel for the first time, do not forget to subscribe and click onto that bell button so that you will never miss a video. Okay, you can even reach out to me at surabhi.r@vedantu.com if you have any queries or if you have any doubts related to chemistry. So I'll try to reply as soon as possible. Thank you so much. Till now it was Surabhi, your master teacher of chemistry at Vedantu. I'm leaving. Till I meet you again, keep loving chemistry, elementary chemistry by Vedantu, and your master teacher Surabhi. Tata, bye bye. Thank you so much. Please take care.